Functional resonance accident model. For 9 functional resonance accident models, in the field under to place accident model in a three-dimensional picture moving away from the linear sequential model. This model recognizes that forces a human technology, latent condition, Harris, do not simple combination, linear, derivative, relating to accident or accident. For main sources of vocabulary were identified as human technology, latent condition vary. This model presents a view of how different functions within an organization with linking or complex to other functions with the objective of understanding the vocabulary of each of the functions. The forwarding for details.